looky what we have here, guys. Roush has sent us some parts. Let's see what we got in here. We've got the S650 Roush Phase 2 kit on our 2024 base 10 speed. If you're new to the channel, this is the car. We've had it for about a year now. We put the Roush Phase 2 kit on the car back in August. This was the first customer car to have the Roush kit installed. We've got a matte carbon Dark Horse handling pack wing. We actually just sold that, so I've got to get that off the car and get that to the new owner. But we've got a matte carbon performance pack wing to go in its place. Very few other things done to the car, just some wheels from EKW store. We've got some Steeda subframe braces and billet vertical links, and then we have the UPR catch can setup on the car. But let's see what Roush sent us. All right. Oh, we got some decals. Always need your decals. What is a car mod without decals? And there it is, guys. We've got their visible clear windowed cold air intake lids, and then we've got their high flow filters. Let's get these opened up and see what they look like. There we go, guys. There it is. That red definitely looks a lot better. Let's get this opened up and get it directly side by side. Wow, that really looks good, guys. That is going to look way better in this engine bay. So these are the Roush dual intake high flow cold air filters. It says do not oil on it, so no need to oil these filters up. We're going to get these installed right now so you can see what they look like all completely installed in the car before we install the lids and after we install the lids. Very few tools are going to be needed to do this job. Really just a, pop your lids off if you have them. Flathead screwdriver or like an 8mm socket. Swap them in, tighten them down. Let's do that. Loosen that up. Once you get the clamps loosened up enough, you can easily just remove the filters from the intakes. And then as simply as you remove the old ones, you'll install the new ones and tighten down the clamps. All right, so we get that one fitted and situated. Now on the ends of these filters, you'll notice a tab right there, and that's gonna go down in that groove down in the bottom of the air box. That's kind of keeps the filter from moving around excessively. All right, let's get these clamps tightened up. And there it is, guys, with the filters installed before we put the lids on. Looks awesome. Goes with the kit so well. Really happy with it. I've loved this kit ever since it came out. This makes it look even better. Roush, if you're watching this, thank you again. And if you could include these in the Phase 2 kits, I think that would be tremendous for the people potentially looking at, going with the Roush Phase 1 or Phase 2. This could potentially be a selling point, or this could be a deciding point between going with Phase 1 or Phase 2. Now let's get those lids on, guys, and see what it looks like fully assembled. So this is gonna look really good. It's got a nice little Roush logo there, but it simply just goes in where the OEM ones used to go. And there's the first side done. And we are fully done, guys. Both filters installed, both lids installed. Once we get the rest of the engine bay trims back, this engine bay is gonna look super clean. The red blower and the red filters definitely set this thing off. Definitely check out Roush's website. I'll include a link in the description below to these filters. I have not been provided one, nor do I receive any commissions on any of these sold. Just doing that to help you guys out. Definitely interested to see how much of the blower whine we hear. Are we gonna hear more or less with these filters on? Drop a comment down below, guys. What do you think? How does it look? And what else needs done to this engine bay now? Definitely looking forward to hearing your thoughts. If you have not subscribed to the Driver Mod, hit that subscribe button. Greatly appreciate it. We just recently hit 10K. We've got some special edition 10K channel t-shirts available. I'll include a link to those in the description below as well. Take care, guys, and thanks again.